Welcome everyone once again. Today we're going to be making some Italian herb potatoes with red pepper hummus dipping sauce. I hope everyone is having a good day and that you'll stay tuned. So let's get some potatoes and your ingredients and get cooking. So first you're going to need some red potatoes or the baby potatoes, lime juice, red pepper hummus, olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, Italian herbs, salt, and then you're going to wash your potatoes with vinegar and baking soda. And in a pot you're going to have some boiling water with some oil, some salt. You're going to put thyme, garlic, and a little bit of butter. You're just going to boil those until they're tender like you see there. Once they're tender, you're going to remove and drain. Once you get those drained, then you're going to press. So the goal of this is to have the outside crispy but the inside soft and moist. So once you get your potatoes drained, you're going to pour some of that olive oil on top, and then we're going to put those herbs in, the ground cumin, salt, Italian herbs, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. And once you get those in, then you're just going to coat the outside. If you need to add some more oil or a little bit more seasoning to get all your potatoes well coated, because you want all the flavors to be in the potatoes and on the potatoes as well. So once you get those coated, then you're going to get a wax paper or release paper and put on a cutting board or your countertop so that you can press the potatoes to make them like a chip of some sort. So there you see I'm spreading them out. Then you're just going to get a flat surface. You can use a bowl here. I'm using a bottle, and then you're just going to press them out like you see I'm doing here. I hope everyone is having a good day. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. So there you see I have all my potatoes already pressed. I'm sprinkling a little salt and black pepper on top just to give it a little bit more flavor. And once that's done, we're going to put it in our air fryer. So there you see I have my air fryer. I've sprayed it with some of my cooking oil, olive oil to be exact. And then I'm going to be putting the potatoes in it. And we're going to cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. It's going to vary depending on the type of air fryer you're going to use. And you see I spray the top again just to give it that crispy, shiny look. And then we're just going to get our air fryer going. So while that is going, we're going to be making our dipping sauce. So there I have about a tablespoon of red pepper hummus. I put some olive oil. I'm going to put some garlic powder and onion powder in this. You're going to need a little bit of water just to make it thin. You can make it as thick as you like or as thin as you like, depending on the consistency that you choose. And there I'm using a little bit of lime juice as well. And then we're just going to combine all that together to make this luscious dipping sauce. And there you see I'm coming in with a little bit of water just to thin it out some more. And then I sprinkle a little bit of smoked paprika. And so within 10 minutes I'm done with that. And our potatoes are ready to be flipped. So at the 10-minute marker here, I'm going to just flip the potato so the other side get crispy as well. now that I've done flipping, then we're gonna go for the remaining 4 to 5 minutes just to get it golden brown. And there, after the 4 minutes, that's what they look like. And look at the goodness of those. You can see that they're crispy outside, and I'm gonna be showing you once we dip it in that sauce. Oh, this is lovely. Look at the colors. And then there you're gonna see inside how soft it is on the inside, so it's not dried out. And we're just gonna flip it over and show you what the other side looks like. We thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.